Today we're going to make a delicious scone recipe straight out of my grandmother's recipe cards. So let's get started. Start by combining your dry ingredients. So in this bowl I have a cup and a half of flour, and to that I'm going to add wheat germ. Wheat germ is such a nutty and delicious ingredient to add to baking, so we'll add it to our flour. And we'll also add our baking powder and a little bit of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together. And once all the dry ingredients are well combined, we're going to add our margarine into the dry ingredients. And then break it up into the dry ingredients to obtain a small crumb. Once you've obtained a fine crumb, we're going to add our berries. So you can add really whichever kind of berries you want. Today I'm going to add a mixture of dry berries, goji berries, and blueberries. You can also use currants or raisins. So into the dry ingredients they go. And then just mix them in until they're all coated. So I'll put the dry ingredients aside and work on our wet ingredients. So for this, you'll want to combine 2 eggs. And what you'll want to do is add enough milk so that combined with the 2 eggs, it makes up 3/4 of a cup. Mix the milk and the eggs together. And then we'll add it to our dry ingredients. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients, and then add in your wet ingredients. Gently mix everything together with the spatula. You don't want to overwork this dough, and it's going to be quite wet. It's not your typical scone dough. So just mix everything together. Get all that dry ingredients from the bottom of the bowl. And that's it. How easy was that? So we're going to bake it. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to grease a pie plate. And then I'll place the scone mixture into the pie plate in the center. And then to shape it into a circle, I like to just give my hand a little spray with the cooking spray and just press it down. That way the batter won't stick to your hand and you can get a nice shape. You can also shape this on a tray with parchment paper, as long as you shape it in a circle that's about 9 inches in diameter. To finish it off, I'm just going to sprinkle on some extra wheat germ to give it some delicious nuttiness, and also some sugar. Now into the oven it goes for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Make it your own and try making it with different types of berries or dried fruit. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.